Hi everyone, this is Tim at Birkey's in Annawan, Illinois. I have for you a new 2023 H&S Manure spreader. It is an S310 series. It is a 235 bushel unit. It has a 5-inch channel frame construction. It has side flares made of 10 gauge G10 culvert grade galvanized steel. It has a poly bonded floor. It's got a hydraulic endgate. 29-inch beaters in the back. This is a single beater unit. This also has the 540 PTO apron with a low speed of 4.9 revolutions per minute and a high speed of 8.9 revolutions per minute. And it also includes that front splash guard. This is available at Birkey's. If you have any questions, please call Birkey's in Annawan, Illinois.